there, this is your astrological forecast for Wednesday, September the 15th. My name is Kat. We are going to get started by becoming balanced, aligned, and connected with our higher selves by taking our 3 deep cleansing breaths. Let's take the first one. On this first deep cleansing breath, we're releasing all disease, all negativity, all toxicity from our physical etheric bodies. Second breath. On this second breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our emotional astral bodies. One more. On this third breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our mental bodies, both higher and lower. We visualize all the darkness and negativity flowing out of our bodies. In its place, we're being filled by this beautiful white light made up of white light, love, and the will to good. It is filling our entire bodies, and then it goes out and forms a protective bubble around us of white light, love, and the will to good. We see this bubble deflecting all evil, all low vibration, all negativity back to its source. While we're in this space connected to our higher selves, we are going to say our Sun and Virgo affirmation. I embrace my true, authentic self. I shine my light out into the world. We are going to say it together, and we'll stay in this space of white light connected with our higher selves for 5 seconds. Let's say it together. I embrace my true, authentic self. I shine my light out into the world. Good work. Well, we're on the last day of this dark and murky energy. Oh my gosh. I hope we've done okay Monday and Tuesday by just staying as centered as possible, connected with our higher self, and just keeping our nose pointed ahead and not letting all this craziness affect us. Today is no different. Today we have the moon. The moon is now in Capricorn, so the energy is really somber, but it's squaring Mercury. And so today the energy is like we try to say something and somebody just cuts us off. They don't even listen to a full sentence. Everyone is into and just, you feel it? It's just edgy and they're just just staticky, and they're just combative. So if we see that, just again, tomorrow, put it off until tomorrow, everyone. Tomorrow is our day. Tomorrow is our day to get things done. It's our only day. So if we see that happening today, really just back off. Don't try to just keep saying the same sentence over and over again. You're just going to keep getting cut off. And then it will, if you just keep trying, it could degenerate into something even more bickering and squabbling. And that's a good energy of what's going on out there in the world today. A lot of bickering, a lot of squabbling going on today. So, also, I do want to say, though, to those of us who are celebrating Yom Kippur, that happens today at sundown. So we acknowledge you and congratulations. I don't know, Yom Kippur, is that something we say, Happy Yom Kippur? I don't remember what that celebration is about. I'll have to get that down. I should. I have 2 children in the Jewish tradition, so I need to get my act together. So anyway, Yom Kippur begins tonight at sundown, and just a little brief on the deep breaths. I just want to say quickly, especially since we're working on those again today, and we're working on our relationship with our higher self again today, especially when we work on those deep breaths. We release from the physical etheric bodies. Well, here's our physical body, but then we have an energetic body, an etheric body, and we talk about the bubble. Well, the bubble comes out here because our energetic body is greater than, it goes out further than our physical body. And then our emotional astral bodies, our emotions are our feelings, but our astral body is another plane that we exist on. We exist on a lot of planes, just not on the physical plane, folks, but the astral plane, and that is actually the plane we go to when we dream. That's where all thought, all emotions, everything, it's like a bag of everything everyone thinks and feels goes into this bag. So it's really important for us to keep that clear out of all negativity, because all the negative stuff goes in there too. And then our mental body is both higher and lower. Our lower mental body is our brain and our processor, and our higher mental body is that part of our selves where we get in touch with our higher selves. We tap in to our intuition and our wisdom and the information that is accessible through this channel to that part of ourselves that is greater than what we can consciously experience in this physical body. How about that? So work on that today, and don't have any bickering, squabbling arguments today. Just stay out of it. Tomorrow we might get some progress and have some productivity, but not today. Let's see. Whew, it's been a tough one, right? We are experiencing a lot of discordant energies this week. It's good to know. It's good to know consciously, so we know how to address them, if we even choose to address them. Sometimes it's just good to just stay in the office and keep your door closed. You know what I mean? Yeah. Don't answer that phone. Okay. Let's get some advice for this Wednesday. Tick tock. Some of us have some work to do that we are not getting done. What is that about? Maybe it's about us not doing our work, getting in touch with our higher selves and developing that relationship in between worlds, being able to exist on the inner plane connected with our higher selves, as well as the outer plane, the plane that we're familiar with, that three-dimensional plane. Leg up. We have support. Support is all around us. All we need to do sometimes, well, not today, ask for it. A leg up is telling us we can ask for support if we need it. We don't have to do it all by ourselves. Today we do. We'll save this card for tomorrow, because tomorrow all the energy falls into place, and we can actually make some progress with those new ideas. We can make some progress in healing and mending our relationships. We can actually make some progress and be a little bit productive tomorrow. Even with our to-do list, we'll have a much better luck tomorrow. Again today, let's continue to work on that relationship with our higher selves. And come see me on Facebook at Soul Sister Cat. Remember the keynote for this station, and that is life is lived from the inside out. Happy Wednesday. One more day of murkiness. It's almost over. Namaste.